مرحبا، أنا اسمي زايا. This is Arabic Easy for All Beginners Basic Arabic Courses. Lesson 4, Part 4. سين, شين, صاد, ضاد, ط, ظ. Double signs. Part 4 of the Arabic alphabets course will deal with the characters سين, شين, صاد, ضاد, ط, ظ in a very easy manner. In a way, students will focus mainly on how to write basic academic double signs above or below these letters to be able to pronounce Arabic easier. Arabic has 3 doubled vowels known as follow: doubled fatha, doubled dhamma, and doubled kasra. Doubled signs are always put at the end of the word. In doubled fatha, we say san, shan, son, ظن, طن, ظن. In doubled dhamma, we say sun, shun, صن, ظن, طن, ظن. And in doubled kasra, we say sin, shin, صن, ظن, طن, ظن. Let's go into details. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on sin is pronounced sun, like in the example shamsun, which means sun. Doubled fatha on sin resorts to the sound sun, like in the example مغناطيساً, which means magnet. In its final word position, doubled kasra on shin is pronounced shin, like in the example عشين, which means nest. While doubled dhamma on shin is pronounced shun, like in the example rishun, which means feathers. In its final word position, doubled fatha on sad is pronounced sun, like in the example غواصاً, which means diver. In its final word position, doubled kasra on dhad is pronounced dhin, like in the example ba'udhin, which means mosquito. Doubled dhamma on dhad is pronounced dhun, like in the example abyadun, which means white. In its final word position, doubled kasra on ta is pronounced tin, like in the example khaytin, which means thread. Doubled fatha on ta is pronounced tan, like in the example mishtan, which means comb. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on the is pronounced dhun, like in the example fadhun, which means red. Doubled fatha on the is pronounced dhan, like in the example باهظ, which means expensive. Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourselves saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. It is the end of lesson 4. Waiting for lesson 5, inshallah, with its 4 parts. I'd like to thank you extremely much for being with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.